I am S. Ravikumar, Research Scholar, Krishna University, Machilipatnam, under the guidance of Professor K. Chandrasekharaya Garu, JNTH, Hyderabad. Literature Survey Research Group publications related to the cybercrime case study. Today's topic is Towards National Integration by Analyzing a Case Study of Cybercrimes. Abstract of this paper is an analysis of implications of earlier work on case study in right direction. Organized activities are undertaken only in a way that is not prejudicial to national interests such as national amenity, national solidarity, national integration, national sovereignty, etc. in any manner. The cybercrime is dissolved by public opinion generation and analysis and right orientation of the same by adapting web-based approach. Introduction of this paper is case study was a case of multiple crimes against the nation. Case has an FIR, a charge sheet and judgment. Cyber forensic evidence obtained by web mining the internet using web crawler tool webback mission. Cybercrimes. Characteristics of cybercrimes. An illegal act is commissioned by means of ICT. With regard to such an illegal act, the computer is either a tool or a target or both. Cybercrimes are perpetrated in computer environments. Cybercriminals are young, energetic, and smart users of technology. The criminals are transnational, interstate. The issues of jurisdiction are significant. The audit trail is strong. Most of them are not violent crimes. They are characterized by anonymity. They are sometimes difficult to work out. These are the some of the characteristics of cybercrime. An empirical case study of cybercrime here in this paper, figures 1 to 4 are the photocopies of the short charge sheet pages for the cybercrime. Charge sheet page 1, two persons A1 and A2 identified by the police as responsible for the crime and thus as accused persons. Charge sheet page 2. In interrogation, A1 confessed the crime and admitted that the culprit website was registered on the name of A2, his friend. A2 is reportedly absconding because there are nearly 2000 registrants in website. This means that A1 and A2 had nearly 2000 citizens under UGOT, underground Telangana, government of Telangana. Charge sheet page 3. A1 and A2 started the website. Further, the police concluded that the accused committed a punishable offense. Charge sheet page 4 contains 5 legal witnesses were mentioned. This is the photocopy of charge sheet page 1. And here you can observe that photocopy of charge sheet page 2. And in the third figure, we can observe that photocopy of charge sheet page 3. And in the figure 4, observe that photocopy of charge sheet page 4. IoT drawbacks were IoT fails with respect to this case study. As a lot of personal information is stored in the IoT, hackers could find out everything about individuals' lives. Also, companies could misuse the information that they are given access to. Already, there is terrorism in the cyberspace. Now, the terrorism in the cyberspace could spread to home easily. The malware could tamper with the personal data easily in many sites wherever IoT is used. The situation could be malware everywhere and not much IoT to use. If IoT is used by the cyber criminals relevant to our case study, the criminals could introduce into homes and offices easily and use incendiary devices at homes and offices and organizations. It can easily target the lives of individuals or organizational settings. So, in order to use IoT, a priori, it should be ensured that the upcoming smart cities become endowed with smart cities. For the conclusion and future scope, our research work is with respect to cybercrimes involved in the activities of an organized group in an Indian university. Various categories of people are stakeholders as shown in the culprit website under our case study. The results of our work on web mining are useful for proving guilty in web-based crimes in the case study under consideration. Our future work will focus on approaches for this solution of the undesirable impact caused by the cybercrimes in our case study. This could be possible by means of generating public opinion in this regard, by means of online social networks, and by a few other alternative remedial approaches such as online guidance and counseling. Thank you.